Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 11. This is Section 3.1, Problem 11. It says write the decimal as a fraction, and we have 0.2, or just 0.2 if you prefer. So to convert a decimal into a fraction, it's a four-step process. Step 1, write what is after the decimal point in the numerator of a fraction. So it's after the decimal point is a 2, I put that in the numerator of a fraction. Step 2, put a 0 under each digit in the numerator. One digit in the numerator, 1 0 goes in the denominator. Step 3, put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. So I get 2/10. Step 4, reduce if you can. Well, the 2 and the 10 are both even. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So its reduced version would be 1/5. So 0.2 is equivalent to 1/5 as a fraction.